Mercury Injection Capillary Pressure (MICP) test, drilling fluid explorers. The test measures the pressure required to inject mercury into the pore spaces of a rock sample and provides valuable information about the distribution of pore sizes, porosity, and permeability. The basic principle of the MICP test is based on the fact that mercury has a much higher surface tension than water, which allows it to penetrate smaller pore spaces. The pressure required to inject mercury into the pore spaces is proportional to the size of the pores, making it possible to determine the pore size distribution and porosity of the rock. The MICP test is performed by first saturating a rock sample with a fluid, typically water, and then injecting mercury into the sample under controlled conditions. The pressure required to inject the mercury is recorded, and the data is used to generate a pore size distribution curve. The curve provides information about the size and distribution of the pore spaces in the rock, which can be used to determine the porosity, permeability, and fluid saturation of the sample. The MICP test is a powerful tool for the oil and gas industry because it provides information about the pore structure of rock samples that is critical for understanding the potential for hydrocarbon production. This information is used to optimize drilling and production strategies, and to evaluate the commercial viability of a petroleum reservoir. One of the key advantages of the MICP test is its ability to provide information about the pore structure of rocks at the micron scale. This information is critical for understanding the complex pore networks that exist in many rocks, and for predicting how fluid flow will occur within the reservoir. The MICP test is also a relatively fast and simple method, making it an ideal tool for routine analysis and quality control applications. In conclusion, the Mercury Injection Capillary Pressure (MICP) test is an important tool in the oil and gas industry, providing valuable information about the pore structure of rock samples that is critical for understanding the potential for hydrocarbon production. Whether you are an industry professional or just interested in the inner workings of the oil and gas industry, understanding the MICP test is essential for gaining a deeper understanding of the exploration and production process.